Today we'll be discussing about Kaubal Gali Mashko Valley, which has been open to tourists related to Kargil war. In the past, Pakistan regularly shared the high altitude passes of the Gurez Valley in North Kashmir, now off limits to people. This area is now connected to the Mashko Valley in Ladakh's Dras sector, Kargil, the battleground of the 1999 war. A 130-kilometer road connecting these valleys is now accessible to tourists via Kaubal Gali, the highest pass in Gurez at 4,166.9 meters. So, let's see the location of Kaubal Gali Mashko Valley. Kaubal Gali is a high mountain pass in the Kargil district of Jammu and Kashmir. It links the Mashko Valley in Dras, Ladakh with the Tulel Valley in Gurez. Located in the westernmost part of the Ladakh, the Mashko Valley is often called the Wild Tulip Valley. Kaubal Gali at 13,671 feet above sea level is a restricted and hazardous pass currently accessible only by 4x4 vehicles with plans to make it tourist friendly in the future. Talking about the cultural significance of the valley is home to diverse ethnic and religious groups including Kashmiri Muslims, Gujars and Bakarwals, contributing to its rich cultural heritage. Talking about the strategic significance of the valley, the Gurez Valley is strategically important due to its proximity to the line of control, that is LOC, and the border with Pakistan. It has been a focal point of tensions and conflicts between India and Pakistan. In 2019, the Indian government repealed Article 370, which granted special autonomy to Jammu and Kashmir. This change divided the area into the Union territories of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh, incorporating the Gurez Valley into this new administrative framework. Now, let's also discuss about the Kargil War Memorial, which is a tribute to bravery and sacrifice of the martyrs in the Kargil War. The Kargil War Memorial in Dras, Ladakh, honors the soldiers who fought in the 1999 Kargil War between India and Pakistan. It stands as a tribute to the bravery and sacrifice of the Indian Armed Forces. Visitors interested in Indian military history or the Kargil War can explore this significant site and other attractions in Ladakh. So, let's see the significance of the Kargil War Memorial. The Kargil War Memorial is a reminder of the courage and sacrifice of over 527 Indian soldiers who died and over 1,300 who were injured during the war. Families of martyrs and veterans visit on Kargil Vijay Divas to pay their respects. The memorial, featuring murals and battlefield scenes, serves as an inspiration for future generations, highlighting the importance of patriotism and sacrifice. Therefore, let's see the history of the Kargil War Memorial. The memorial's history dates back to 1999, when the Pakistani army crossed the line of control, that is LOC, and occupied key positions in Kargil. The Indian Army launched Operation Vijay in May 1999, eventually declaring victory on 26 July 1999. The Kargil War Memorial was constructed to honor the soldiers who fought in this conflict. Every year, 26 July is celebrated as Kargil Vijay Divas. Now, let's see the impact of tourism on the valley. First, economic development. Tourism can boost the local economy by providing job opportunities in hospitality, transportation, and guiding. Second, infrastructure improvement. Increased tourism demands better infrastructure, benefiting both visitors and residents. Third, cultural exchange. Interaction between tourists and locals promotes cultural exchange and preservation. Fourth, income generation. Local craftsmen can sell their products to tourists, preserving traditional arts and crafts. And fifth, revenue generation. Tourism generates revenue through taxes, licenses, and admission fees, which can be reinvested in local development. Concluding that the opening of the Gurez Dras Road to tourists is seen as a result of the peace accord between India and Pakistan. This development has increased tourism in the Gurez Valley, allowing visitors to explore its unique features including log houses, settlements, diverse wildlife and stunning landscapes. If you like the information, please like, share and subscribe Neti Educational Academy.